Bob Chapek is out. Bob Iger is back as CEO of Disney. Nobody's raining on this parade. He can get the heck out of here. I don't give a crap. We are excited. I'm sure you guys all heard the news. Here's my thoughts. So, first of all, here's an email sent to employees and cast members tonight from Bob Iger. He says, "It is with incredible sense of gratitude and humility, and I must admit a bit of amazement that I write to you this evening with the news that I'm returning to the Walt Disney Company as Chief Executive Officer." Listen, this is going to be huge. This is going to be huge for the movies, Pixar movies coming to movie theaters, the Disney cruise lines, the theme parks. You're a theme park fan. You are so excited, and I don't blame you. Continuing, when I look at the creative success of our teams across our studios, Disney General Entertainment, ESPN International, the rapid growth of our streaming service, the phenomenal reimagining, rebound of our parks, the great work of ABC News, so many other achievements across our business, I am in awe of your accomplishments and excited to embark with you on many new endeavors. And Bob, we are excited to be on this journey with you, leading. I know this company has asked so much of you during the past 3 years, and these times certainly remain quite challenging, but as you've heard me say before, I'm an optimist, and if I learned one thing from my news and so many other achievements across our businesses, I'm in awe of your accomplishments. Okay, so listen, all the CMs are partying. Tomorrow is going to be crazy at the Disney parks. I wish I could go. I'm blocked out, but tomorrow is just going to be such a huge celebration. Tonight is a celebration. All right, don't let anybody tell you different. I know there's people out there saying, oh, these stuff that we are experiencing, the bad stuff, was all under Bob Iger's watch. I don't care, all right? This is a sense of hope. I'm blaming it all on Chapek. I don't care. I am wrong about that, but I'm blaming him. Anyways, let me continue here. I'm an optimist. If I learn one thing from my years at Disney, it is that even in the face of certainty, perhaps especially in the face of uncertainty, our employees and cast members achieve the impossible. You will be hearing more from me and your leaders tomorrow and in the weeks ahead. Tomorrow is going to be huge news. Huge news. Stock is going to go up, guaranteed. In the meantime, allow me to express my deep gratitude for all you do. Disney holds a special place in the hearts of people around the globe thanks to you and your dedication to this company, and its mission to bring joy to people through great storytelling is an inspiration to me every single day. Listen, this is huge. I already tweeted out to him. He ain't gonna read it, obviously. Probably not, but a lot of people saying a lot of things, but I said, take away that 2 p.m. stupid park hopping limit. Give the Imagineers back their power. And by the way, the first remark he said publicly, becoming CEO effective immediately. I tweeted about this. Let me read the exact quote, what he said. He said, I am deeply honored to be asked to again lead this remarkable team with a clear mission focused on creative excellence, all right, to inspire generations through unrivaled, bold storytelling. Listen, he is putting creatives back in power. That is huge. Chapek had the suits, the business people that not only took the stock into the dumps, all right, and he made everybody hate Disney. Like, he had such a negative look. I don't care if you're gonna blame it on COVID and all that stuff, Iger, what he did before. I don't care. All right, he was CEO during this time, and it felt crappy when he was CEO. All right, so we'll see what happens. I'm telling you, this is huge. You're a fan of theme parks. You're a fan of Marvel. You're a fan of Disney. I wouldn't be surprised if Kathleen Kennedy steps down. Listen, right now, the fact that this happened, this doesn't just happen, right? Huge company. Sunday night, they announced this. This just doesn't happen like this. This is very unique. So what's gonna happen is they have their ears to the fans right now. They're trying to get the goodwill back. They're gonna boost the stock up. I'm telling you, something's gonna happen with let's say if they park reservations is a huge issue, right? People hate park reservations. Either park reservations are going to go away, or they're going to get rid of the crap that you have to deal with. You know, like when you buy a ticket, now I could see them changing it to where you get the reservation as the same time you buy the ticket. Your ticket guarantees you entrance, instead of how right now it's not guaranteed. You're not guaranteed entrance. You got to make the reservation separately. I'm telling you, annual passes will come back. The 2 p.m. restriction park hopping thing, that's for sure going away. I'm telling you. Now listen, I don't have any insider information. Everything I'm saying has no base in reality, but I'm just telling you how I feel from the heart. All right? Goodbye, Bob Chapek. Good riddance. Get the heck up out of here. So glad that Bob Iger is back. Listen, I'm on a high. I don't care. I'm on a Disney high right now. And I'm having my moment. I want original trilogy Star Wars and Galaxy's Edge. I want, obviously, the annual passes back for everybody to be able to get them. I mean, Pixar movies in movie theaters. Listen, I don't even know what to say. My goodness. I have a Disneyworld trip coming up in a couple weeks. Disney Cruise Line, first time right after that. I am so happy. I need to go to the parks and celebrate this. I hope a lot of you get to go tomorrow and just celebrate this. This is a huge oh my gosh. Anyways, thanks for watching. You hear more about it. I don't usually make news videos, but this is so huge. I had to give my 2 cents. Anyways, have a good night, everybody.